have the U.S. citizenship yesterday. I passed the test.
Great.
But I have the criminal trespass on 2017. So the officer want me to turn the file court for him to review it.
Right.
I'm so worried about, do you think is the criminal trespass can affect my approval?
Yes. Well, this was in Kansas. I don't know if it's a misdemeanor or a violation. In New York, criminal trespass is a violation. It's not even a crime. But it's certainly, so I don't believe it would be a deportable offense, but again, I don't know the Kansas Penal Code off the top of my head. It certainly affects good moral character. And if you have to prove good moral character, if there is an arrest, that can affect it. Now, one arrest over a period of a lifetime, does that make you a person of bad moral character? I wouldn't think so. I would think that one arrest over a lifetime, I would chalk that up to having a bad day. That's what I would argue before an immigration officer. So maybe somebody would say differently, assuming that the case was dismissed. But yes, when you ask, does it affect? Absolutely.
I passed the test. So I just need to, now the only thing I need to do is...
Just because you pass a test that you know U.S. government and history doesn't mean that's it for citizenship. You got to also prove good moral character. What I would suggest, Voodoo, before you submit anything to immigration, speak to an immigration lawyer about this arrest, because the last thing you want to do is submit something to immigration and then turn around and you can, be in deportation. It doesn't sound like a criminal trespass, but I don't know the Kansas Penal Code off the top of my head. So I would suggest speak to a lawyer first before. Don't ever submit documentation related to criminal offenses to immigration without going through a lawyer first.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
All right. So hold on one second.